picture call these chips?
I would definitely say fringe.
This is a comforter.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learners. Let's get on with the lesson and welcome our guests. Firstly, I would like to welcome Lizzie to the channel.
Hey there, I'm Lizzie.
And we also have Stella.
Hi, I'm Stella, and I live in North Carolina, in the US.
So I have some pictures, and Stella, Lizzie and I are going to tell you how we would say, what's in these pictures in our country. Okay, so let's start with this one.
In the US, these are chips. 100% just chips.
I can't believe you started with this one. These are chips.
We call these crisps. Next we have this one. This picture call these chips. Let's see Stella has to say about this. What does she call them?
These are French fries.
The next ones. Chips as well, alright? They're hot chips.
Okay, next we have this one.
We call these cookies or chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, they are biscuits.
These for us are biscuits as well. Here is the picture.
A tractor trailer. So this is also what I would call it, a tractor trailer.
Alright, that yellow thing is a truck. It's a truck.
We would call this a lorry. What about this next one?
These girls all have bangs.
We would definitely say fringe. And bangs is probably becoming more popular, especially colloquially.
We call this a fringe. What about this next one?
This is candy.
They are lollies.
We call this a sweets. What about this next one?
This is the forest.
That is definitely a forest.
We would call this the woods. Okay, what about this next one?
This is bathroom. You might say it's a restroom.
That room is a bathroom. Yeah, it's a bathroom.
We would say toilet. All right, let's move on the next.
This is an apartment.
This is mostly called an apartment.
Okay, so in British English this is a flat. Okay, the next one.
This is a grocery store.
This is called supermarket.
It's a supermarket for us, well, or we call it the shops. All right, next one.
This is a comforter.
In Australia, that's called a doona.
So, in British English this is a duvet. Let's move on the next.
These are bell peppers.
Okay, they're capsicums. Red, green, yellow capsicums.
We call it the peppers. What about this next one?
These are rain boots.
When it's muddy and rainy, I would put my gumboots on to walk around in the wet.
In British English, we say wellies boot. Are you ready for this next one?
These are flip-flops.
They call it thongs.
We would call this the flip-flops. Okay, what about this next one?
These are pants.
Pants. Old people might call them trousers.
We would call this the trousers. Now, what do we call this?
This is a sidewalk.
In Australia, it's called a footpath.
We say pavement. Thank you so much, Stella and Lizzie, for coming on this channel. And I shall see you soon for another video. Thank you.